Good morning, happy Sunday. Over the last couple weeks, it's become pretty routine for Kyo and I to go get Laura some coffee over at Starbucks while she goes for a run. Except it's 8 o'clock and he's still asleep, which is like 14 hours. It's crazy. So I'm gonna go get Laura Starbucks while she hangs out with him. I have this suspicious feeling that I ordered my stuff from the wrong Starbucks on the mobile app.
So many examples because I collaborate with.
Fun fact, I used to go to daycare when I was really little right across the street from here. This Starbucks used to be a Wiener Schnitzel, and we got to do a little factory tour field trip thing as a kid. Fun stuff. Anyways, it is a Starbucks now, and I'll be getting my coffee. Egg bites and...
yeah, I got it. You have a good day.
Thank you. Al's Donut's been here since I was in elementary school, though. And it's still here. He's still asleep. Same spot as yesterday for lunch, different food.
Put it in there.
We're on a tight time schedule today, so I'm gonna finish eating in the car while Laura gets a head start at Roadrunner to go shoe shopping. Then we got grocery shopping, back home, finish watching MotoGP, and then chill for the rest of Sunday. I really should be eating a lot less of these now that I'm not training so hard. Whatever. Vroom vroom! Vroom vroom! Okay, I've got some more errands to run. Gotta get gas for Laura's car. Gotta get some watermelons. Gotta break down a tri-tip steak and roast those steaks for the week. Cook dinner, eat dinner, and that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.